Promise I'll wash that. 안녕하세요. Welcome from Korea. It's next matcha. I'm in the kitchen today and I'm cooking this. It's eggplant. Korean lesson time. Eggplant is kaji and today I'm frying it up. So it's going to be Kaji Bokkeum. If you're interested in Korean cooking, hit that subscribe button. I post a new video with a Korean dish every week, as well as sharing my experiences from in Korea with other food things. So, let's get started. I broke this one.
Luckily, we can just cut around that. Now, let's put all our ingredients for the sauce in a bowl and give them a stir. Very easy, right? Now, it's very important you get your red pepper flakes. That's going to add that spice that you need. It's a very simple dish. It's just eggplant with a light batter. So it's very important that there is some spice in this and that it has a real kick to it. Slice up your green onions as well as your red peppers. How you slice them's up to you. Since these are going in the sauce, you want to slice them quite thin as you possibly can. Once again, that red pepper, not the red pepper flakes, this is the fresh red pepper, will give a little bit of spice and a little bit of kick that is necessary. Once that's all done, you're really just going to put that back into the sauce now. Now, why we make the sauce first? Well, simply we want that sauce to sit and almost like marinating. Those vegetables aren't getting cooked essentially, so we want all that, the onions to soak up the flavor and vice versa to spread their flavor throughout the sauce. And then while that's doing that, we can prepare the rest of the things we need. Your eggplant should be cut thin, but not too thin. Now, I'm not sure how many centimeters that is, but you can see about how much there, half a nail length essentially. If you do it too fat, that's probably fine, but too thin, you'll find you won't get it crunchy enough and they'll get flat and soggy. We mix the water with potato starch here. That's going to be our batter. What that'll do is it'll fry up and it'll make it a lot crispier. Eggplant can get soggy very easily, and you want it crispy, but you also don't want to use such a high heat that you're burning the outside and the inside's undercooked. So medium heat with our starch water, dipping it into the starch water like I'm doing on the video, and then throw it in the pan with oil. A generous amount of oil here, because you want that starch water to hit it and immediately cook, and then that'll start getting crispy. Once they're golden brown, you can turn them, and you can go a little bit more than golden brown to make sure they are crispy on the outside. Look, they're beautiful, so that is perfect. And if you touch that, you'll find it's very crispy, almost like chips, but the inside is still smooth and creamy. How you plate it is always up to you, I always say that. If you put the sauce on, it will get a little bit soggier compared to if you just had it without the sauce, like if you dipped it, for instance. And it looks beautiful. And it tastes great. As I've been doing, stick around to the end where I'm actually going to eat this, and I'll tell you a little bit more about some of the flavors that come through and why this dish is one of my favorite. Enjoy.
I did it. Finished in the kitchen and it's time to eat. This is the best time of the day, of course, because we get to eat it. Ooh. Wow. The eggplant is nice and crispy and it's very colorful with the red of that delicious sauce on it. Let's see how it tastes though. It's got a good garlic sort of kick to it with that spice and sauce on top, and then you've got that sort of crispy little bit of outside and a mushy's not a good word, but soft and let's say creamy inside of the gaji, of the eggplant. Let's try another one. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see that well, but if you see that there, it's exactly what I wanted. And that gochugaru, the red pepper flakes with the chopped up pepper as well, gives it that sort of soft, delicious spice to it that we want. It's not too spicy, and that adds a lot of flavor to what is essentially eggplant that's been fried up with flour water, basically. So let's see how this is. Oh, it's great. Oh, here's one. Look at that. Well, this next much it for another week. Another recipe for you guys to try at home. Highly recommend you give it a go. As always, check out the channel next week. I'm going to post another dish, maybe even two, and have a look at some of the past ones we've done. There's some great recipes out there that we've done in the past. I highly recommend you guys give them a turn. If you do have any ideas or suggestions for dishes you want to see me try, let me know in the comments. And in the meantime, hey, get out there, cook some delicious food, and have a good time. Thanks for watching. Bye.